Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day, doctor. This is our group demo video for assignment 1, subject SECV3213, section 2, group 3. And here is our group member and our matric ID. So first of all, we will explain our code first and then demo the video, demo the code. So first, we will import the necessity libraries, and then we will initialize the image, such as we read the image from our disk, and then we will turn it into grayscale to make it easier to see the operation, and then save the grayscale image into image ori to be called later on to be make it easier to compare between the original image and the edited image. And then we use xy to get the dimension of the image, and then instead of putting the operation inside our loop and inside our if else case, if else statement, we make it outside to make it easier to alter and to view the code, the function. So here we got three different function, which is blacken function to blacken the selected region of interest, and darken to darken the selected region of interest, and brighten to brighten the selected region of interest. So the first blacken, we create the black rectangle that has the same size as the image, and then we create a white rectangle here to 5255, meaning that white rectangle. So when the user already select the region of interest, it will be minus. We use the visit subtract, so like the image will minus the white rectangle, and it make the selected region black. So next is the darken function. So the difference is we add another attribute, which is intensity percent. So it will include the user's input on the how intense do they want to darken the image. So here we use intensity, and we use subtract. And then for brighten, we use the same one as darken, which is intensity, but instead of subtract we use add because we want to brighten the image. And then next, in our loop, we use do while loop because as long as the user doesn't want to exit, we will keep on asking the user to select the region of interest. So the first of all, it will ask the user to select their region of interest, and once they selected them, a menu will come out to make the user to choose the operation they wanting. And then if the operation is 1, we'll use blacken. If the operation is 2, we will do darken. If operation is 3, we do brighten. And if the user input numbers that outside from this range, there will be a message that say invalid input, please try again later. And to break the loop, user just simply need to press escape. Once user press escape, we will show the original image next to the edited image. So that's the end of our code. Now let's try to run them out. So here is our image. So for example, we need to select first, select over here, and we want to blacken them up. We will see the image has been blackened. Over here we can see it's already blackened. And then next we can select over here, and then maybe we want to darken them for 30%. The image will darken, and over here you can see it's different from blacken. For example, we want to more intense blacken and darken. We can try maybe 60%. See here, different, still different. And maybe for the next operation we want to make brighten, so we select 3, so maybe just 50. Here it's already brighten. And then in case we select and press the wrong number, 7 for example, it will say invalid input, please try again, and it will ask us to select it once again. So, and for example, if we select the area that already been edited, for example over here, and we want to brighten them up, it's 3. maybe for 30%. As you can see here, for the darken and for the blacken and darken, there is a slight difference. For blacken, even if we brighten them up, we can't see the original image because in the blacken operation, it's already convert the image, the area of image into black color, so we cannot restore it. But for the darken, we still can see a slight different from that from the blacken. So if we are satisfied with the result, we can just simply press C, and it will take us out from the loop and show us the original image next to the RI select next to the edited image, so we can see the difference. And then that's all from us. Thank you for watching.